we have today a knee brace for sciatica relief. It can be worn on the left or right side. Just make sure that if it's the left, that left is on top. You just kind of secure it onto place really tight. There's some massage points in the back, so when you're walking, it presses on that nerve that hurts you so it can massage it. It does work a little bit with the pain, so when I'm walking, it gives me that extra support that I need as I'm recovering from the sciatica pain. So it's very good to wear. You can wear it over pants, or you can also wear it by itself if you're wearing shorts or a skirt.
All right, today we're going to bring a band for your actual sciatic nerves. So if you suffer with pain on any kind of a sciatic on your legs, this is perfect device. I'm going to show you some of the stuff you can do with. So it's going to relieve the pain. It's not going to heal or cure. All right, just to let you guys know, it's only to ease some of the pain. So if you guys can see, there's an R in the left, and then there's these points. They actually cushion your actual leg. So anytime you start walking, you'll feel like a massage. That's what they mean. If they disturb you, you can always remove them. They have also Velcro. And if you guys can see, regarding which leg you're going to put it on, you need to set it up. So right now I'm going to demonstrate how to put it on. All right, so it's very simple. We're going to put it on our right-hand side, all right? So what we want to do is make sure it's on the right-hand side, all right? If you guys can see that. And what you want to do is make sure it doesn't go to your knee all the way up, all right? It has to be below. So the middle part is to grab on right in the center, all right? Here, all right? So we got the middle part holding the whole thing here. And then we end up tying up, all right? And this is gonna help you relieve some of the pressure too when you're walking. It's not a knee brace or anything like that. There's one section here, and then the other one goes into it there too also. And you grab onto it. So that's how it works. We're on the right hand side. So, but if you want to switch it over to the other side, of course the logo is going to flip around, but it's still going to work the same way. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.